You just watch her. This is like she's through video games.
Yeah, she's like, yeah, you wish you had these buttons. You wish you flicked this joystick.
It's hot, 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 it's hot.
Hey, what's up? We're at XBiz Miami. There's some little off-camera, off-carpet interviews. The only off-carpet interview. Oh, off-carpet. Oh, black carpet, not the pink carpet. All right, so please introduce yourselves, even though we've known each other for years.
Yes, right? I'm Cookie, also known as my cookie jar.
And I'm Cookie Daddy.
Okay, Cookie Daddy, yeah. It just rolls off the tongue every time you say it. Cookie Daddy. Yeah, Cookie Daddy. So what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
2 hours of my day, I would probably play more video games.
Really?
Legend of Zelda.
Legend of Zelda.
Legend of Zelda.
I would. There's so many times that I'm so close to beating the new Tears of the Kingdom, but I have no time, and I also don't want the game to be over. So I would really love to play more video games.
That's good. That's good. You too? Which video game?
Oh, no, I just watch her now, which is a role reversal.
Yeah.
Oh.
I used to be a World of Warcrafter, so. But
We
now-
played a
You
little.
just watch her. This is like she's through video games.
Yeah, she's like, yeah, you wish you had these buttons. You wish you flicked this joystick.
That's so good. That's so good.
Just here to watch.
I know.
What would you do with an extra 2 hours?
Oh, man, I'm a workaholic. I think I just hang out with this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
Oh, that's a great answer. Oh, man. You have a good one right there. He has the best answers. You can't beat
I
that.
thought he was going to say that he was going to fly planes more. He's getting his pilot's license.
Yeah.
Dual prop, or what are you doing?
Oh, well, single prop now because I'm a baby, but yeah, just about there.
I was thinking, so I inspired one of my friends to get his pilot's license because I had to do like a license to get my drone. And he's like, it's like some of the same stuff.
A lot of cross, because you don't want to fly your drone into my plane.
Yes. No,
That's pretty much why.
That's all. It's like they don't care. It's like just don't hit a plane.
Yeah, that or like into military airspace where they're going to shoot your shit down.
Yeah, the basics.
You know it now. He's
yeah.
rubbing off.
Absolutely.
Helping him study.
Yeah. Just keep an eye out. You know the guy that went viral for Tesla? Well, we're going to do the same, but maybe in a plane.
Oh.
Any ladies want to come collab and join the Mile High Club with us? We'd love that.
I think a couple people just turned their heads. They
They're
heard
like,
it. They're like, what? Huh?
Huh?
That's awesome. That's the reason I'm asking about extra 2 hours too, is because I'm brought to you by Super Creator. They help you, do you know about Super Creator?
I do know about Super Creator.
You do? Oh,
I've used them before. I love them.
how do you use them?
I use them. They're the CRM system, right?
Yeah, they do have a really good CRM.
Yes, I used to be in tech, so I did all the research on all of the CRM systems. Super Creator was really good.
Oh, awesome. Dang, y'all are pros.
Try to be. You know, when you're running your own accounts, it's hard. You need some help.
You need all the tools, yeah.
and having a company like that is really amazing. So I think it's really great what they're doing.
That's awesome. Well, pros. Okay. Well, there it is. And where do you want people to find you?
They can find us on cookiejarofficial.com.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Awesome. Thanks, you guys. Oh, and I'm Javi Mack, in case you don't know.
In case you forgot.
Yeah. Thank you, Super Creator.
Javi!